Earning money online without skills. Hey guys, today I'm going to be talking to you about how to earn money online without any skills. Now, I know what you're thinking, but Bard, I don't have any skills. How can I possibly earn money online? Well, the truth is, there are actually a lot of ways to earn money online without any skills. In this video, I'm going to share a few of my favorite methods with you. Method 1. Take online surveys. One of the easiest ways to earn money online without any skills is to take online surveys. There are a number of websites that will pay you to take surveys about your opinions and experiences. To get started, simply sign up for a few survey websites and start taking surveys.
Most surveys only take a few minutes to complete, and you can earn anywhere from a few cents to a few dollars per survey. Here are a few popular survey websites: Swagbucks, InboxDollars, Survey Junkie, LifePoints, MyPoints.
Method 2. Microtasking. Microtasking is another great way to earn money online without any skills. Microtasks are small, simple tasks that can be completed in a short amount of time. For example, you might be asked to transcribe a short audio clip, enter data into a spreadsheet, or label images. There are a number of websites that offer microtasking jobs. Some popular options include Amazon Mechanical Turk, Fiverr, Upwork, Clickworker, Microworkers. Method 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a way to earn money by promoting other people's products or services. When you sign up for an affiliate program, you'll be given a unique affiliate link. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you'll earn a commission. To get started with affiliate marketing, simply choose a product or service that you're interested in promoting and sign up for their affiliate program. Then, start promoting the product or service to your friends, family, and followers. Here are a few popular affiliate networks: Amazon Associates, ShareASale, ClickBank, Javizu, Commission Junction. So, there you have it, a few ways to earn money online without any skills. If you're looking for a way to make some extra money on the side, or if you're even looking to replace your full-time income, I encourage you to try one of these methods. Remember, it takes time and effort to build a successful online business, but it's definitely possible. Just don't give up. Additional tip: when you're first starting out, it's a good idea to focus on one method and become really good at it. Once you've mastered one method, you can then move on to other methods. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below and I'll be happy to answer them.